You don't need a website alone. You need a website which functions as your top salesperson, one that never takes a break, never forgets a pitch, and actually brings in customers. Here are three essentials that your website must have for attracting and converting. Clarity converts. If a person visits your website, they have to be able to identify instantly what you sell, who your target audience is, how to proceed. Design that builds trust. Would you buy from a disorganized shop with dim light and no signs? A slow, obsolete, or badly organized website is exactly what a store like that feels like. Clean design, fast load, mobile first. These aren't trends, they're trust signals. 3. Guide the customer journey. Your website should be a straight road, not a complicated one. Visitors should be taken by the hand step by step, from curiosity to contact to conversion. Your website isn't just a digital presence, it's a revenue platform. Build it with intention. We at Not Just Website don't just build sites, we build sales engines.